You've got 7 days until the exam. Your syllabus is longer than a Marvel movie timeline. Your brain, scrambled. And your motivation? Somewhere between, I'll start tomorrow and maybe I'll just drop out and become a monk. But here's the thing. You don't need 6 months. You need a system. In this video, I'm handing you a 7-day crash course survival plan that's backed by cognitive science, productivity hacks, and a sprinkle of chaos energy. Welcome to Study Like a Maniac mode. Day 1. Strategic setup. Map the war zone. Your brain loves clarity. Panic comes from uncertainty. So the first day is all about control. Step 1. Syllabus breakdown. Write down everything you need to study. Highlight high-weightage chapters. Ask teachers, check past papers, or spy on toppers. Step 2. Apply the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of topics that show up in 80% of the exam questions. Ignore that one obscure chapter on the history of boring stuff, unless it's definitely on the test. Step 3. Create a battle plan. Use a 7-day planner. Allocate topics by day. Slot in 2 major topics plus 2 mini topics per day. Don't overschedule. You're not Iron Man. Tools. Notion. Study apps like My Study Life or Focus To Do. Day 2 to 3. Intake mode. Feed the brain, not just the eyes. This is where most people mess up. They read, highlight, and forget everything. Why? Because passive reading equals passive forgetting. Instead, use active recall plus spaced repetition. Active recall techniques. Close the book and write down everything you remember. Create flashcards or use apps like Anki or Remnote. Try the blurting method, dump out what you know on paper, then check gaps. Spaced repetition rule of thumb. Review on day 1, then again on day 3, 5, and 7. This taps into the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve and beats forgetting like a boss. Bonus. Use dual coding. Combine text plus visuals. Draw diagrams, mind maps, or color-coded notes. Studying equals working out for your brain. If you're not mentally sweating, you're not growing. Day 4 to 5. Output phase. Become a teaching monster. Now, you flip from learning to doing. The Feynman technique. Pick a topic. Explain it like you're teaching a 5-year-old. Find gaps. Relearn and simplify. Talk out loud. Record yourself. Teach your dog. You'll retain twice as much by teaching than by reading. Mock tests. Grab past papers. Do timed sessions. This builds speed plus confidence. Review mistakes ruthlessly. Don't fear red ink. Learn from it. Testing yourself is called the testing effect, and it's one of the most powerful ways to lock in knowledge. Day 6. Rewire and reinforce. Consolidate like a pro. Today is about sealing your memory like Tupperware. Review flashcards. Revise notes in bullet form. Revisit your weak spots. Do a quick 5 to 10 minute meditation. Lower stress equals higher recall. No new topics. Don't get FOMO and open that one untouched chapter. You're sharpening your sword, not forging a new one. Sleep is non-negotiable. During deep sleep, your hippocampus literally uploads short-term memory into long-term storage. Skimping on sleep equals deleting files from your brain. Day 7, simulation day. Become the final boss. You made it. Now it's time for the final rehearsal. Do a full-length mock test with timer, no distractions, exam environment, desk, silence, snacks optional. Afterward, check. What topics still feel shaky? What's your accuracy rate? Are you finishing on time? Use binaural beats or lo-fi music for focus while reviewing. Study shows they boost concentration by up to 30%. And remember to eat brain-friendly foods. Omega-3s, nuts, eggs, complex carbs, bananas, oats. Hydration. Water is greater than energy drinks. You don't have to be born smart, you just need to study smart. In 7 days, you can rewire how you learn, memorize faster, retain better, walk into your exam with calm confidence. You didn't just cram, you trained, you transformed. And if anyone asks how you pulled it off, just say, I studied like a maniac. A very organized, sleep-scheduled, science-backed maniac. Hit that like button if your brain's now on fire. And comment below, what's your go-to study hack when there's no time left? I read every comment, and your tip might just save someone's grade, even when it's day 1 and the book's still in the plastic wrap. Now go break some mental records. Until next time, study smart, not hard.